Our new lesson is about functions. Okay, first let's know what's the difference between a formula and a function. We studied formula earlier. Formula combines cell references and operators, but function use function names and argument. That's the difference between formula and function. The syntax of function or a structure of function will be always equal name of the function bracket argument bracket. That will be the syntax or the structure of a function. Okay, let's know how to access. Come here in formula bar, you see fx. That's the way to insert a function. Clicking here, click this function, insert function. The insert function dialog box appears. In the first box, it asks you search for a function. You know the function from earlier. You can search it here just by typing. For example, we are searching a function called summation, sum, sum. Go, and we got our function from here, sum. We select our function and OK. Now from here you can carry your job. Cancel for now. Okay, one more way to access function. Go to formulas and insert function. It's the same like before. At the second box, it's asking or select a category. There are so many categories in Excel. For example, financial, date and time, mathematics and triangulation, statistical, lookup and references, database, text, logic, and much more. In the third, here are many functions. For example, you are selecting from here financial, so the financial will appear. You are selecting date and time, and the function related to date and time will appear. Okay, that's all about this dialog box. Coming to a simple function called sum. Let's give an example in that in next video.